Good morning. This is a new adventure, new campground, and I'm going to give you a brief look at where I'm at in all the nature woodsy area. This is the look down from my campsite. It's us work campers up here. That's a fellow work camper. I'm going to do like a panoramic. That is the maintenance, utilities, laundry, nice big tree and everything. This is my campsite. There's my work ride. I'll get a farther away view here after a little bit. It's another work camper. That's about the closest one anybody is. And cabins are over that way. I don't know if you can see them very well. But even though we're on a slope area, the spots are pretty leveled out. So there's a bit of a panoramic view. Let's see if I can go down this way and see if I can get you a better look at my camp spot. Just got up. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay. That kind of gives you an idea. Like I say, it's kind of uphill. But the spot is flat. Didn't have to jack it up or anything. My closest neighbor, haven't met yet. He's also got a cart. Dogs are loving it because it's more gravel and everything. There's some friendly squirrels here. I seen a woodpecker, huge woodpecker right here in my tree, so maybe I can get some pictures today. There's a little river down here, not a deep one, but a little river. I'll take some pictures of that. But this is just a general idea. The more outdoorsy nature scene I've got. A bunch of grass back here that if I want I can walk the dogs around or something. It's a little digger, enjoying. Not so much concrete, that's another good thing. Here's Mr. Chaos checking things out. A little picnic area, which I don't have everything set up yet, but I'm working on it. A beautiful, beautiful morning. A nice big shade tree right here by me. Don't think I'll need my canopy here. Beautiful, beautiful area. I like it. This is standing off my little balcony. Might get a little video of the feeding the squirrels today. They're down by the office. They're constantly climbing in the windows looking for more and more food. I'm going to be doing housekeeping here. I'm not sure what all it's going to detail, but I do know it's going to detail cabins. I'll take a little ride in my club car later and show you different areas of the park. Alright, everybody. Have a beautiful, beautiful morning.